Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily share your live location on WhatsApp. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, but I suggest that you have the latest version of this application so you have access to all the latest features. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone and then select the chat in which you want to share your location. And then there at the message box, you can see the attachment icon. Click there. Among many other options, you will also find location. Click on location. Then you will see something like this. You will see your live location and the map to you. You can share it by simply clicking on share live location. There you can also set the timer as shown, and you can also add comments or messages. I'm just gonna add a comment here saying I'm here and then click on done, and then I'm gonna set the timer to 15 minutes and then click on send. And that's all you need to do. So thank you for watching till the end. Sharing your live location helps your friends or your contacts to see where you are so they can find you in case you're missing or in case you want them to find you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates.